This is Season 2, Episode 6. Hi, this is Jebb Adams' channel. Welcome to you, friends. Today's show and tell video is about assembling the PA9-8 motor. We will not test it today, we'll do that another time. First of all, a big thank you. Thank you to all of you, viewers and subscribers. Thank you to all of you. Please subscribe. Everyone will get started right now. Here we are with the parts to the motor, kind of where we left everything, sitting back a little while ago. This is the piece of the motor that has the aluminum housing, and into this piece, our first putting together, so to speak, is this plastic sleeve. That was the fragile, brittle piece of plastic, and I'm speculating that it serves maybe some sort of insulating purpose. I might want to try that. Turns the other way, it didn't seem to seat as easy. There, that's better, it has seated. And then of course the next part after that is this piece here, and we have to make sure that we keep these leads, these contacts, to the top. They will go in into the top there. These two will go down where the brushes are. They connect to the terminals for the brushes. That's how we know to orient it, that it goes up on that way. Now the shim, it is going to need to be placed into that space there. Okay, I'm happy with that. I think that's good. Insulator, it's non-conductive, and it will go more in here because there's a cutout for it to go in there, but essentially it goes there to insulate the back of these wires so they don't short out on this or make it live and perhaps somebody could get a shock or what have you. So the next thing I'm going to try and do is get the contacts in, and these ones up top are usually somewhat simple or not all that difficult. There are 18 pieces or parts to this motor assembly. We have the aluminum casting. Inside we have the plastic sleeve. We have this part of the motor with all the copper windings and commutator. We also have the bakelite, the black bakelite casing on the other end of the motor. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 18 pieces, not including the mounting bracket, which I put over there, and I'll just move to the side. As you can see down here, I am using the little tool jig or support jig that I had put together with tape and cardboard for installing the bottom bearing in the bakelite case. It also turns out that it fits well for this side of the case, and so I'm using that case to support it while I put these 4 leads in. And first we'll start by moving the shim in, by putting the shim in. Then we'll take the top terminals, which have the posts on them, and they go through there, like that, like that. That's how they're going to go. Now, if it becomes difficult to keep these in here while you put the other 2 leads in, just wrap a bit of tape, and that should hold it sufficiently. So next we're going to put the other 2 leads in, and then put these 2 contacts on the top. We'll put these 2 contacts in there, and you can see that they have little feet here, so they level themselves quite nicely for being put in there. The other thing to notice is that there are two little insets here for the wires to lie out of the way as you put them in. And then of course there's these little feet or supports that